I have known Dr. Alizadeh almost a year. However, it seems forever. I am truly happy with my results. As a matter of fact, sometimes I feel it's a dream. I didn't even know that I could be that pretty. My recovery has absolutely surpassed my expectations. As a matter of fact, I thought it was too easy in my case, and I would do it in a heartbeat again. Absolutely, it was definitely worth it. So I had my medication for the first 4 days, scheduled accordingly. And as I mentioned, it was a very easy process of recovery. And it's just that I don't like pain. I'm big wuss when it comes to it. So I wanted to make sure that I feel no pain and truly enjoy, if I can say, the recovery. So the pain medication was absolutely, after 4 days, was not even necessary. Fantastic. I feel fantastic and I look fantastic, and it does miracles to your self-esteem. Sometimes you really don't realize how much it means to you to look as good as you can possibly be. Thanks to Dr. Alizadeh, of course. The reason why I picked Dr. Alizadeh is because I went to a few doctors, and the things that I've heard that may possibly happen to my breast, if the worst case scenarios were not even worth trying to fix the problem. In my opinion, I believe it was a problem. But Dr. Alizadeh not only reassured me, but his technique of natural bra completely exceeded everything that I thought of. Not wearing a bra ever again. I mean, who would not want that? Not only I didn't have to have an implant from the most unwanted place on my body, from inner thigh. Fat was transferred into my breast. How amazing. So this summer, my family and I went on vacation where a bathing suit was a must. Can I tell you I was excited? I mean, it was beyond. All the time, all the bathing suit that I wore had to be a miniature summer version of a regular bra, bulletproof version of bulletproof, like my husband calls it. And I have to tell you, I bought the most beautiful bathing suit that looks like a mermaid shell. It's all sequenced, and it was not revealing, but it was the most beautiful thing that I wore on my body, besides the wedding dress. And I looked fabulous, and I was not shy, and I was not fixing anything, and I was not twitching. Everything was perfect. And cleavage came out amazing on pictures. Super happy. Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I feel them thinking it was just a dream, but it was a reality. It's a wonderful reality.
I was interested in the natural bra procedure because after having 3 children, I was suffering from like really bad neck pain and arm pain, and I went to see a surgeon who was going to perform neck surgery. And I was trying to think of like what would cause something like that. And I think a lot of the reason was because of my dense breast tissue and my sagging breasts, and I would tighten my bra straps, or in the summertime wearing a bathing suit top and tying straps around my neck, and it was causing indents in my shoulders and whatnot. And so a girlfriend of mine suggested that I see Dr. Alizadeh, and I came in and explained to him what was going on, and he had mentioned to me that possibly doing a reduction, and that's what I did. And I am free of pain, which is amazing. It was a lot easier than I thought it would be. I didn't have to take any pain medication. The first day I had a little pain and took some Tylenol, but other than that, everything was so easy. I didn't have to take any pain medicine, and I felt great. Oh my God, it's changed my life. Not only am I free of pain, but I am back to my normal activities. I have so much confidence. This summer, I was able to wear clothing that I would stare at in my closet and wish that I could wear, bathing suit tops that I didn't have to wear straps, on, and just the ability to stand in front of my closet and be like, oh my God, what can I wear now, as opposed to what I couldn't wear. So it has changed my confidence level and just made me feel amazing. The only negative thing is I wish I had done it many, many years ago. I suffered for years, and I wish I had done it sooner. It was well worth it. Absolutely. To not be afraid. I think that my biggest fear over the years is I thought about doing it, and I was afraid. I was afraid of having surgery done, and I was afraid of after and the downtime and all that. And I was back to working out after 8 weeks and my normal activity after a week. Do it. Come for a consultation. The staff is amazing. Dr. Alizadeh is amazing, and just don't second guess it. Also, as I'm 6 months post-surgery, and as time continues, every time I look in the mirror, it just gets better and better and better. So I'm so grateful.
I have been thinking about it for years and years and years. I had nothing, absolutely no breast tissue. So, it was something that I truly needed. It wasn't, it's something I was lacking. I felt like my body's lacking it. So, it was truly nothing. It wasn't that I needed a lift or anything like that. Or after breastfeeding, no, just I really needed something there. I actually did so much research. It took me years to actually feel comfortable with him. I actually came across him on social media, and then was just researching and researching. When I set up the consultation, that's what kind of made me, besides, the recommendations, when I met him, I felt, I was ready. After all these years, about 10 years it took me to decide, I was literally ready. If you could do it next week, the following week after the consultation, I would have been very happy. But he sent me for a mammogram. So I had to wait a little bit on that. Oh my God, it is amazing. I can't say like I had, problems with confidence before, but I was really lacking it. I was wearing push-up bra. The only thing I was able to wear was the Victoria's Secret bombshell. Forget about it. The bathing suits that I'm finally able to wear. It's something amazing. And clothes too. Every time I would dress up, I felt like something is missing. And it truly, makes me feel really good and happy and confident. And, vacations are amazing. The beach, I've been going to the beach. I enjoyed the whole summer at the beach. I mean, amazing. I feel like I was really missing it. Like every time I was, even with the push-up, because I had nothing, you know, it was still just something there giving shape. But I didn't go big. I wanted to stay more natural. I didn't want to go, you know, unrealistic. It was exactly what I wanted for my frame. I feel like it looked amazing from day one. I was in every group on social media for breast augmentation as possible. I saw so many, you know, people have complications, and even the work, like people would do like steps a day after surgery, day of surgery, week after surgery. And I felt like mine looked good from day one. There was no square looking, like really, really high up. Like, I mean, I loved it from day one. Absolutely. Are you ready to it? My friends are already coming. Like, of course. I can't believe I waited all this time. I feel like I would have lived a happier life had I done it 10 years ago. Absolutely. Every penny, it was worth, I mean, and more. It was worth it. Amazing. Definitely worth it. I mean, I just feel like it's for women who will, you know, who feel like they need something to, not necessarily breast augmentation, but if you feel that you need something for yourself, something that will make you feel better, make you better, I mean, it makes me nicer. My husband said it made me nicer as an individual. So, you know, I say go for it. Don't wait 10 years. I mean, I also feel like you have to be comfortable with the doctor at consultation. If you're not and you have doubts, I wouldn't go for it. I mean, I felt I was ready the day of. So, you know, just go for it. Don't waste time. As a woman, I always feel like if a woman feels like she wants something for herself to make her feel better, or something that she feels like she needs, definitely go for it. It's so worth it. I mean, we work hard. We should be able to give ourselves what we want to make us happy.